Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a sad news because I lost my dog. We were jogging and he just disappeared. So I don't have my dog right now. So right now we are going to find my dog all over. We're gonna run all over to find my dog. It's a sad day today for us as a family. So we are going to find him. I hope we're gonna find him. So guys, I'll call you later. Where we can find him, we don't know, but we will just walk around in the neighborhood if we can find him. Yeah, that's it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube, like my videos, and share. So let's go. I don't know where my dog is right now, but let me go. Hopefully we will find him in the neighborhood, because you know dogs, they like running around. So that's where we are going right now. Thank you guys, and I see you when we are searching my dog. I'll see you later. Thank you guys. God bless.